If you like a place with views and character, this is the spot for you. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Tracy with Keller Williams Heritage, and I am in this gorgeous home that's located in Helotes, Texas, just outside San Antonio, and it is located in the rolling hills of the Texas Hill Country. It's got views to kill for. I can't wait to show you guys. It's nestled into this beautiful community. It's brand new build, custom built, and it's got a nice modern look with some nice rustic tones in it, and it's just very warm and inviting. But the views just have me speechless right now. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 3,200 square feet, and it's newly built. No one's lived here before, so it's ready for you to move into it and make it your own. But let's get going. It's a lot of house to cover, and I can't wait to show you guys what it offers. All right, what did you think about that house? That was so unique and so charming. It's just has its own character. I've never toured a house like that one before. The views were just from every level were amazing, and the way that it's laid out, it's just so easy to get around and everything. It just makes sense. The open concept of that living kitchen area is just gorgeous, and then you've got these huge windows all around the house on all sides, overlooking this beautiful view from every side. There's not a lot of properties here that are located on elevated lots, so this is really unique in that you get to see so much of the sweeping views around you. There's not a lot of land around it. It's 0.21 acres, but some people prefer that. They don't want a lot of property to have to maintain outside the house. This would be a perfect property to add some xeriscaping, zero maintenance or very low maintenance landscaping around it. I hope you guys liked the tour. Let me know what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it, and if you could see yourself living someplace like this. If you like a place with views and character, this is the spot for you. If you have any questions about anything, drop them in the comments or reach out to me via my information in the description below. All right, well, it is warming up. I am gonna get out of here and get some AC. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for coming along. Bye-bye.